Good evening everyone. We're here once again. Nasa mi kantay offer ni Lord. But this time duha na akong kauban no. Kaning usa kailan naman ni no Inday Liway. Kaning usa sad si Inday Tricia. So wala makahibalo, igsuon ni sila no. So naami diri kay gusto mi mudayeg sa Ginoo pinaagi sa awit no. And then ang lyrics ni nga kanta nagisgot sa unsa kadako ang atong Ginoo no, sa kagamhanan, unsa siya kamaayo. Actually duha ni siya kakanta mong gi-collaborate ba. And then ang usa mga igsoon, ang lyrics ni it's all about kana bitang sometimes ilita ni Lord sa mga unknown bitaw nga situation, sa mga imposible nga situation. But iya din siyang gitugot tungod kay gusto niya i-level up ang atong pagtuo niya. Pero iyang gi-set up ang tanan. Amen. So amo ning i-offer ni Lord din amo ning padungog sa ninyo. So, let's worship the Lord.
You are the one without beginning. One big good, the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory and creation is now revealed in you, our Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, the mighty King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. We walk upon the waters wherever you call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders, and we walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my faith could ever wander, and my faith will be stronger in the presence of my Savior. So I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours. You are wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name
God be the glory. God bless, God bless, God bless.